Lydia, get down here.
This is a weird looking bird, dude. Hopefully I can grab it. Here we go, here we go. It looks dead. It looks like it's freaking retarded. What the hell?
That's its wings.
Let's see, hopefully it doesn't bite me. I don't know. Give me something to grab it with. Give me something to grab it with before it flies off. I think its wing's broken. Here, give me something to grab it with. Hurry. Give me the bin. Give me that bin. No, give me a sock. Give me a sock so I can grab it.
Mikey, there's a bird in here.
I don't want it to bite me. This thing looks dangerous. What are you doing, Mondo? Stop. Oops. Back up, back up.
Sorry, birdie.
I got injured, dude.
Here, put it in here.
Oh, snap. Okay, okay. Here we go. I need to try to get it. Got it.
Victor got a bird in his hand. Get away from Layla. Get it away from Layla. Put it in here.
What kind of bird is it?
Put it in here.